Is it time to buy or sell Teck Resources stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Teck Resources. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 4th of September, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of September 2025, our system has identified Teck Resources as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.64. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are likely. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 20.38% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -27.56% to -14.23%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a decline of around 30.40%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between -53.02% and -17.76% over the next year. In practical terms, this would forecast a future price ranging between $15.40 and $26.95. Our latest daily update for Teck Resources presents the headline, Teck Resources Ltd stock downgraded from buy candidate to sell candidate following Thursday's trading session. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 4th of September, 2025, a stock price of Teck Resources Ltd decreased by 2.85%, dropping from $33.73 to $32.77. Throughout the trading day, the stock exhibited a fluctuation of 5.37%, with a low of $31.68 and a high of $33.38. The price has shown volatility during this period, with an overall gain of 4.8% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day by 4 million shares, although this occurred alongside declining prices. This could serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 13 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $412 million and 19 cents. Examining the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $54.13, while the lowest price fell to $28.32. Currently, the price is 39.46%, or $21.36, below the 52-week high, and 40.56%, or $22.36, below the all-time high recorded on the 20th of May, 2024, when the price peaked at $55.13. Teck Resources is entering a phase of damage control following the launch of a comprehensive operations review at its Quebrada Blanca copper mine. While major growth projects are being deferred until Quebrada Blanca achieves steady-state operations. This review, announced this week, is aimed at addressing operational performance issues and developing a detailed action plan for Quebrada Blanca. Earlier this summer, Teck reported earnings per share for the second quarter of 2023 at 27 cents, exceeding estimates. The board also approved an extension of the Highland Valley operation through the year 2046, targeting approximately 132,000 tons of copper annually, and has sanctioned construction to support future supply. Additionally, the company declared a dividend of 12.5 cents per share, payable on September 29th, regarding the impact on the stock. In the short term, expect pressure due to uncertainty and the deferral of growth projects as investors reassess execution risks and delayed production ramp-ups. However, disciplined capital allocation and a focus on improving operations at Quebrada Blanca could enhance reliability and cash flow, ultimately supporting dividends and long-term valuation. The extension of the Highland Valley operation significantly bolsters Teck's long-term copper profile. So if the review successfully restores confidence, the the shares may recover and be re-rated based on more stable and predictable production. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 3rd of September, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned TECK a buy rating along with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark also rated TECK as a buy but with a hold action. On the same day, Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, B. Riley provided TECK with a neutral rating and a downgrade action. Earlier, on Friday, the 25th of July, 2025, CIBC rated TECK as neutral with a downgrade action. Finally, on Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, National Bank gave TECK an outperform rating with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Teck Resources stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is considered neutral. When it comes to return on investment, the stock receives a neutral rating from analysts. The following signals have been identified for Teck Resources. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, and so far, it has risen 4.8%. Further rises are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may have an impact on short-term developments. The stock for Teck Resources Ltd currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Moreover, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $33.46 and $33.57. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Additionally, volume increased on falling prices yesterday. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal recorded 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal noted 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal identified 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal observed 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 37 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal noted 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal recorded 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Teck Resources. Teck Resources Ltd finds support from accumulated volume at $32.51. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a strong trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.70 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 5.37%. Additionally, during the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 3.35%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Teck Resources, let's first review some important fundamental data. The price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio, is a key metric that compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high P/E ratio may suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. Additionally, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 23rd of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 440 thousandths of a dollar. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Teck Resources. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Teck Resources is at $33. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Teck Resources encounters its first support level at $32.51. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Teck Resources stock a good buy? Teck Resources Ltd. currently exhibits several negative signals and is positioned within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly over the next few days or weeks. Therefore, our assessment of this stock is negative. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 5th of September, we expect Teck Resources to open lower by 160 cents, starting at $32.61. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.